Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says the value of log base 4 by 3 and argument is this thing. Now, you know that how we will solve this kind of problems. So, you know that if anything approaches till infinity, we will assume that thing as x, and we will assume only that thing as x whose finding square is easy. So suppose that I am having problem with this root 56 plus root 56 plus root 56. Okay, and this thing will keep on going till infinity. Now look at this part. Suppose that you know who is x. X is root 56 plus root 56 plus root 56 plus root 56, and it is till infinity. So if you don't mind, can I write down this thing as this part as x? So it will look like 56 plus x. Okay, now we will do squaring both sides. So we got x square equals 56 plus x. So it is x square minus x minus 56 equals to 0. X square minus 8x plus 7x minus 56 equals to 0. So it is x minus 8 and x plus 7. So the value of x comes out to be 8 and minus 7. You know that this is square root something, correct? And the domain of square root function is a positive number. So outside it we will have a positive number. Therefore, the required value of x is 8, not minus 7. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now, it's time to break down this denominator part. So what I will do, it is also approaching till infinity, so I'll assume that thing as y. So it is root 64, root 64, root 64, root 64 till infinity, correct? You also know that you have assumed y to be root 64 plus root 64, root 64, root 64, root 64 till infinity. So can I say that this is also representing y? So can I write 64y? Now what I will do squaring both sides. So y square equals 64y. Now everything on one side, so y times y minus 64 equals 0. The value of y comes out to be 0 and 64. You know that inside root it is not 0, correct? So the output will not be 0. So the output will be what? 64. So the value of y is coming out to be 64. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now let's compute the final value. So it is log base 4 by 3, and it is 56 plus root, means 56 plus x. X is what? 8. So 56 plus 8 is 64 upon y is also 64. So this thing becomes 1. You know that log 1 to the base anything is 0. Hence the required number is 0. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.